Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now is I'm going to show you on course how to create a fact on your framer. So here guys, I'll show you how to create a fact section in the framer to help improve user experience and answer common customers question effectively. So here guys, you need to open Framer and go to your website project. You need to click insert or press I on your keyboard and then select frame and adjust the size for your fact section. Then the next thing you need to do here guys is to insert a text here. So here, tap on that one and you're just going to type frequently asked question. That one guys, frequently asked question, and right after you type on that one guys, you just need to edit this one guys, like your font, your size. You just need to follow the steps that I am going to make on this right corner guys. So the next part here guys is just need to tap on this layout and we are going to add a frame here. We need to put it here below, but in order for that to be possible, you just need to follow the steps that I'm going to do. So here we're going to customize each guys. So pay attention on all of the options that I am going to customize guys. So here, let's try to adjust that one like that. So you just need to go to the direction part. So here, and then I'm going to change the width and then the height. So still depending on you guys. So below this one guys is you need to add a text layer for the answer. So there you can repeat this process for like multiple questions just like this. So here I am just gonna try to customize this one. So just need to follow the steps. So this tag feature is really important on this tutorial guys. So here I'm going to put here text here. So I need to put this one in the center guys, like in the middle. So what I'm gonna do here is like this, follow the step guys. Then we are going to add a icon right beside the text here. So the plus icon guys, you just need to go to the icon option and then insert it. So So here guys, what I'm gonna do here is I am going to group this text here and then the icon, because I am going to stack and then choose the space between, guys. And of course guys, here, just like that. So here guys, you need to select the fact question text layer. There you'll be able to see their interactions. Then you can click event. There you need to choose toggle visibility for the answer text and then adjust animation settings for a smooth transition, guys. So here, pro tip here guys is you can use in and out animations for a modern engaging effect. So I'm just gonna adjust my size here. And what I'm gonna do here guys is here I'm gonna create this one, and so I'm just gonna copy this one and I'm gonna paste it, so that you just need to repeat this process for a multiple questions, so to keep answers concise and clear to improve readability, guys. And that's it guys, you now have a fully functional fact section in Framer. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.